Whether you have a small diesel engine, medium-sized diesel engines, or big old Tonka truck-sized diesel engines, Revit Auto has your back with on-site fleet diesel repair services. We can do your maintenance and your light-duty repairs on site. And if the job is too large for us to do it at your location, we have our shop where we can do all the large vehicle job repairs that can't be completed on site. With Revit Auto as your fleet maintenance company, we can do 90% of every repair that you will ever need at your facility. That means that you have zero downtime, zero loss of your equipment, and your employees can stay focused on their task. Start focusing on growing your business instead of worrying about broken down vehicles. I'm Blair with Revit Auto. Give us a call.